Hi, this is Jack from Canvas GFX, and I want to show you what it's like using an interactive step-by-step assembly instruction using the Canvas Envision platform. Now all I need to access this document is a web link. Envision gives you complete control over who has access to your documents. Here, I'm using a quick share link. And as quick as you can say copy and paste, I'm in the document right away. Step-by-step instruction in Envision is designed to be fast and easy. Rather than a standard flat paper or PDF document, you can see the ease of use as I simply click on the different steps to move between pages. And not only do I see the instruction, I'm literally able to interact with it, getting a perfect view of the model so I can make sure I understand exactly what needs to be done. Now I'm viewing this on my laptop, but it could be any device, like a tablet or smartphone, ideal for situations where you need to move around or are on the go. And this document was really simple to build using the Envision Creator application. If you want to see how that process works, make sure to watch the accompanying video. And that's step-by-step assembly in Envision. Check back with us as we're constantly building more content. And for all of us at Canvas, thanks for watching.